Hey y'all, Marissa Holmes here with the Mod Home Group. I am with Compass and I am in the Austin area. Today we are in Six Creeks, one of my absolute favorite neighborhoods and my stomping grounds. So I'm with Coventry Homes today. We are looking at the Wichita Floorplan. This is a 5-bedroom home. It's almost completed. So this is an inventory home where they've already, picked out all the designs, structural options and everything. So just keep in mind, every Wichita floor plan is going to be a little bit different depending on what was picked out for the home, or maybe you're building it from scratch, so you can kind of design a lot of the structural things yourself. But yeah, it's a beautiful 5-bedroom home. Let's go take a look. Okay, let's look at it from the perspective of going through the front door, so you can see what it looks like with the hallway. I love the tall entry. And right when you walk into your left, you're going to have the office, which I always love when the office is in the very front of the home. I feel like it gets the most sunlight and it's just the most practical when it comes to having it be a study instead of a bedroom. So when you're walking through the main hallway, you'll see that you have the dining to your left. I've seen some people turn this into like an office. I've seen people turn it into a playroom and close it off right here. So whatever is the most functional for you, but I think it's pretty versatile. Love the tall windows in this one. So then it opens up to the kitchen, and this one is still technically under construction. So you're gonna see some construction debris and some paint touch-ups that still need to happen. There's still quite a bit that needs to be done, even though it looks pretty much complete for the most part. I love the open kitchen. I think the only thing about this floor plan that I would expect more from would be just more cabinet space and some counter space. I mean, it's a very large home, and so you would think it'd be a little bit bigger on that end, but overall, the way it's laid out does seem very functional. I love that it's open like this, and then you have this little hidden bar over here. I call it either a messy kitchen, or it could be like a little coffee bar. I love how practical that is. And then this one has a really good sized pantry as well, which is nice. All right, now we'll make our way over to the hallway. So this leads to the guest bedroom, or just a bedroom downstairs with a full bath. This one is good sized bathroom for guests. Keep in mind there's no half bath downstairs, so that would be the true guest bathroom that they would use. Good sized bedroom. Closets. This one has a really good sized laundry room. I don't know why people or builders do this fluorescent lighting. I thought we were past that like 10 years ago, but that's all right. Good size for, extra fridge, maybe like a little dog washing station. This is great. I always think this is so practical. Right next to the garage door, you have a little mud entry space. Depending on what upgrades the particular home has, it may or may not have that, but at least it'll have the nook for it. And then this one is the 2-car garage. Well, actually it's the 3rd car tandem garage. Now let's make our way over to the primary suite. So what I always like when builders do this is have it, like the entry to the primary is not just a door straight off of the living room. It's like, you turn a little corner, and so it's more private and you can't really see, all your business from the kitchen, from the living room. And what I love about this one is they actually added a door here that goes straight to the patio from the primary suite, which is really nice. I don't see that very often with these newer homes. And then obviously you can see they are still working on the little window bench. Somebody got a little excited after work and had some beers. Not surprising, I see it all the time. Okay, so this is, in my opinion, an awesome bathroom. It's huge. I feel like this needs like a nice chandelier or something. I don't know what's with the boob light. I wouldn't choose that, but it's builder grade. You can get some nice chandeliers for a bathroom like this. Love the tub. The shower is massive. And then my favorite part is this closet. This is one of my favorite closets. It is huge. There's more. Okay, now we can make our way to the back patio. We'll go through this way so you can see what it looks like from the kitchen as well. Love this patio. So this one is not specifically a greenbelt lot. There's a lot of them here in Six Creeks that offer that, but this one is going to have lower lot premium because obviously it doesn't have that greenbelt feature, but it's still a beautiful yard, big size. Okay, now we'll make our way upstairs. And then I'll stop here at the landing. You can just get a view of what everything looks like from the stairs. Right here at the landing, it's a small little space right here in the corner, but I don't know, I always call it a Peloton nook, whatever you want it to be. So there's 3 full bedrooms up here. So this one, they still have to add an attic door right here, so don't mind the mess, but 2 full bedrooms that connect to a Jack and Jill. And obviously, you know, all of the upgrades are going to be different per home, but decent sized bedrooms. So 2 are connected there. That one didn't have a closet inside, but it does have, which I need to get the closets as well. It does have it in the bathroom. And then right here is where it opens to the front door. Okay, so over here is where the game room or flex space, whatever you want to call it. It's huge though, it's massive. So I would call this a game room. And keep in mind, this room is open to downstairs, so it's not fully closed off. If you have kids or something, it could, you know, the noise could travel. So I think that's the only downside to this type of game room when it's not fully closed off, is that, you know, you'll still hear everything going on upstairs. So this is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. Really good size bedroom, standard closet. And then here is the guest bathroom for this room. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about this floor plan, please let me know. Of course, like I said, there's always going to be different variations depending on what structural upgrades you choose and of course designs. So if you have any specific questions about what can happen with this floor plan and where you can build it, please reach out. I would love to help. Okay, now we're in the model home of the Wichita. Different structural upgrades. So for example, the study right when you walk in is not enclosed, it's open. And then you have the dining area, which is going to be very similar to how the inventory home was that we were in. It's always interesting to see all of the different upgrades and, you know, accent walls. And of course, model homes are always going to be the most pretty and have all the bells and whistles. So it's nice to see, you know, different styles of cabinets and kind of different upgrades that they offer. Like for example, the fireplace in the corner looks so awesome. I love that upgrade. Now we'll make our way upstairs. In this situation, it's mostly just going to be like designs and pretty stuff that will give you the extra wow factor. But every single community is going to be a little bit different as far as what you can upgrade and, you know, what the costs of those upgrades are. So in this particular model home, same layout, just all of the bells and whistles as far as the designs go. I'm surprised their bathrooms actually weren't as upgraded. That was a little bit shocking to me, but still looks beautiful, and it's nice to see a home that, you know, has all the furnishings and what it could look like. Okay, now we'll make our way over to the primary suite. This one does not have a door that leads to the back patio. I thought that was a really nice feature in the other inventory home that we were in. So this one does not have that. And then you'll notice the bathroom is going to be a little bit different of a layout as well. So here in the bathroom, they did not add the full soaking tub, which personally I would need the tub. I feel like that's a big must in my opinion, but closet obviously is still huge. The biggest thing that I love about what they did here is they added a door from the closet to the laundry room. If that's ever an upgrade option within a floor plan, I think that is so practical and I love it. So that was one of the biggest differences here. And then I'm sure you noticed, but they added all the built-ins and stuff in the laundry room. So it does make it feel smaller, but you do get that extra storage. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions at all about this floor plan or any others, please feel free to reach out. I would love to be your realtor resource here in the Austin area. Happy to help, and all my contact info is listed below.